So,
So what do you
it's
have?
me from Damien and Ariana's Summer, and Ariana's still here. She's gonna be making a paper airplane outside. And I'm doing a second part. Drawing. Neatly. The same day. Right, Ariana?
Yeah, the same day.
Okay, so what should we draw?
A cat.
Cat? So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cat. So first, start with its head.
That's a cat's head.
Head.
Dad, could you help me make a paper airplane?
Now
Open
you
it.
make a
Looks like a
snout.
book. Looks like a book. Look at Damien.
Look at.
Okay.
So end one circle, two circle.
So triangle.
No, one eye, two eyes, and some triangles on the top. One triangle, two triangles, and now you add these. Cats need whiskers. Oh, hi Dominic.
Hi.
You're part of the channel name now.
Where's the cat?
And now,
Is this how you make a paper airplane?
now like this and like this. Cat, so that's the cat so far.
Mom, the puppy pee.
So the cat's gonna be sitting down. The cat, it's gonna be like a stuffed animal cat.
Yeah. It's really like a stuffed animal. You don't know what to make a cat? Yeah,
I do. It's just gonna be a stuffed animal cat. So now the other toe.
Where's its arms?
There's the toes. So now you're gonna make a little stub like this. A little stub like this.
Dad.
And there you go. You have a cat now. Wait. Now you make a circle right here and a circle right here. Now you have a little stuffed animal cat.
Don't worry, I know to make a.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we're also going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Wait.
Daddy. So we have a piece of paper, you guys. And this piece of
No,
paper,
wait.
we're gonna have.
Look, Ariana, this is how you make a paper airplane.
Who drew the cat?
Hold this.
Damien,
Hold it. Ariana, hold it.
we're gonna make a paper airplane, Dad.
So now you do this.
Okay.
Two.
Paper airplane I'm showing you there, man?
What?
The one I sent you a link of?
What?
Is this the one I sent you a link of?
No. I forgot how to do that.
So you see Dominic and Dad. My dad is
Now
in
you
the
fold this
kitchen.
down.
And you have to fold
Fold
that
this down. And this is the type of paper airplane that I specifically like. You now fold that to like that. Ariana, stop. I don't know what I just did. But I'll show them on the other side. So now that you folded it down, you open it. And now you fold it in half. And I'll push the half to the side. And it should look like this.
Yeah. See,
paper
guys? A paper
Okay.
airplane. Dad, look.
Everyone say bye.
Bye.
Ariana, say bye.
Bye.
Dominic, say bye.